Hey guys, welcome back to the Canva class. And in this lesson, we are going to understand how easily you can create a copy of your content. So it could be an image, it could be any video, any document which you've already created. And just for an example, you need to create a copy of it. I mean, why would you want to do that? So let me just share a few examples to make it bit more clear. So here I was creating Canva lectures, and basically I wanted the whole template, everything to be same. Just there are few changes, like I'm editing one video here which I'm going to change. So rather than doing the whole work again and again every time I have to create a lesson, what I can easily do is I can create a copy of this. So example, here this is an image and I want to create a copy of this image. So I can take any image for that matter. Okay, let's just take the same example. All right, so here I've made lesson one, two, three, and I want to make lesson four. And this has, say, three videos in here. So video one, video two, and there is another video, the end video three. So basically what I want this learn Canva with Dilpreet to be there, and I want the first page to be exactly same, but I just want to write lesson 4 or part 4 in spite of 3. So there are very basic changes which I need to make. Rest everything is going to be same. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to waste my energy in recreating the whole stuff. I'm simply going to make a copy of it. So how do you do that? Just take the arrow, the cursor on that content. It could be a still content, it could be a video, it just doesn't matter. The process is going to be exactly the same. So you see these three dots here, just click on the dots and you see the first option is make a copy. The moment I press make a copy, Canva has created a copy for me, and if I click here, it's going to give me the copy. So it has created copy, and now I can easily edit this copy. So I'm going to start editing it, and I know what you have to do. You can do the same thing too. Stop wasting time. Let's work smart. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you think it was useful, please like the video and make sure you comment on the video, because your comments, your likes really motivate me. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to have lot of new stuff, lot of new learning, and staying connected. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hey guys, welcome back to the Canva class. And in this lesson, we are going to understand how easily you can create a copy of your content. So it could be an image, it could be any video, any document which you've already created. And just for an example,